Hey, are you thinking of moving to Vallejo? Well, stay tuned because I have 10 reasons why you should. Hi, I'm Ron Lee with RE/MAX Gold, serving your real estate needs in Solano County since 1978. Hi, I'm Ron Lee with RE/MAX Gold. I'm a realtor in Vallejo, California, and I'd love to tell you why Vallejo is an awesome place to live. Number one, Vallejo is a beautiful place. Two, the weather is amazing. Temperatures average 57 in January to 80 in September. Number three, Vallejo is a culturally diverse community. Here's a list of the top 25. You'll see Vallejo number one. Number four is location. We're conveniently located with easy access to San Francisco, Walnut Creek, Concord, Napa, and Sacramento. We're like the hub of a wheel. You'll love it here. Number five is affordability. Vallejo is the best deal on the San Francisco Bay when it comes to housing, whether you're buying or renting. Average sales price, $435,000. Average rent for a 3-bedroom house, $2,200 a month. Number six, the art and historical districts in Vallejo. Number seven are the restaurants. Everything from street vendors to Michelin star restaurants. Number eight is ferry access to San Francisco. Number nine, we have some excellent craft beers, wineries, and distilleries right here in Vallejo. And finally, 10 are the recreational opportunities. Check these out. Well, there you go. We have 10 reasons why you should consider moving to Vallejo. If you have any questions, make your comments below, and I try to answer them personally. If you like what you see in our videos, please subscribe and be sure to ring the bell.